Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. Introducing the long-awaited Fallout 4 next-gen upgraded for PS5, but for many players, excitement turned into the disappointment as the gamer crashing on the startup, hindering their impressive experience. In this video, we are trying to fix the problem, so watch the video till the end. How to fix Fallout 4 crashing on startup PS5? To resolve the issue, start by hovering over Fallout 4 and accessing the option menu. Next, navigate to the Manage Game Content. Locate Wastelander Workshop and Automoron in the DLC list and uninstall them. Once done, launch the game again and the error should vanish. This is not a permanent solution. Apart from this, you can begin by uninstalling the game and all its associated DLC content from your PS5 to start afresh. After that, reinstall only the base Fallout 4 game, excluding any troubleshooting DLC, so ensure to clean state. By doing this, problem will be fixed and enjoy your game. I hope this video is useful for you. Try to fix the error. If you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching.